Dear Miss Greenbirds, thank you for your letter requesting permission to quote from our new book, Business Correspondence Today, in the manual you are preparing, period. Your letter has been referred to me, period. All permissions are handled by the business management department of our organization. Paragraph. We are happy to grant you this permission provided you agree to these conditions. Paragraph number 1. You will include a credit line acknowledging that you are quoting from Business Correspondence Today with the permission of the Birmingham Publishing Company. Paragraph number 2. Your manual containing our material will be distributed only to your staff, It will not be sold to the general public. Paragraph number 3. You will pay us a nominal fee of $10. Paragraph. If these terms are acceptable to you, please sign the enclosed form and return it to us with your check for $10 in the envelope we have provided. Period. Cordially yours, Reading practice number 4. Dear Mr. Greenville, Lake Ferris is one of the world's largest, most beautiful lakes, period. It is so clear that you can easily see the bottom 100 feet below the surface. Paragraph. The people who live at Lake Ferris wanted to keep it beautiful, period. Therefore, they took the precaution of building on the world's most advanced sewage treatment systems to protect it, and national equipment is a vitally important part of the pollution prevention system. Paragraph. National equipment also helps to protect water from industrial pollution, period. It removes industrial chemicals from millions of gallons of wastewater every day. Paragraph. When you have a water pollution problem, call us, period. We are ready to help you, period. Very truly yours,